I gotta chase it. Jeez Louise. Hey gang, it's me, it's Ola. I am coming at you from my local lake. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, what a hot session. But let me tell you, some days it pays to suffer. Yes, folks, if you noticed the thumbnail, you saw that I got my 13th trophy fish. Who would have thought I'd get a trophy fish when the water's almost 90 degrees? It's hotter than I'll get out, though it was just after sunrise, so I didn't have the sun beating down too much, but it was still hot. I am so psyched. And I caught this fish on my favorite bait for the last probably 2 years since I've been throwing it. This is by far the biggest fish I've caught on this bait, and Savage Gear, thank you so much for making it. Yes, indeed, folks, it's with that little swim bait. What a perfect bait if you're new to swim baits. And I still consider myself new. I mean, I'm learning as I go the best times to throw these baits. But this bait seems to be right in a sweet spot. It's 5 inches. 3/4 of an ounce maybe, but it's not a giant bull shad, you know, where you're whittling down your bites you're going to get. So I catch small fish on this bait, and today, boom, I landed a Florida trophy. She walloped this bait, and oh my goodness, we were in timber, stick-ups everywhere, and I had to go in. Oh, I'll save the story for while you're watching the video. My goodness, my adrenaline got to pumping because I did not know if I was going to land that fish just based on the cover she was in. But thank goodness I had strong hooks and a good knot on my braid. Wow, folks, I'm stunned that I got that trophy today, stunned. So Joanne, I'm sorry you couldn't join me. You missed you missed a good trophy catch, but I can't say it was a great fishing day. We had a 5.3 on the bass forecast, which is decent. And swim baits are not one of the recommended baits for this time of year, but this little dude of a swim bait is perfect in 3 to 4 feet of water, give or take a foot here and there, and just over the top of grass or in the shallow, in the flats, in the timber. It's a great little bait, and the fish are just fooled by it because it's very realistic. I'll give Savage Gear that bait looks 100% real. So I fooled the big girl, and then it kind of went dead for a couple of hours. I ended up staying out about 30 minutes longer because right at 9:30 when I was going to come in, the major feed turned on, and wouldn't you know, I got a couple fish, and I thought, oh, it's going to turn on. But I got those couple, and that was it. So I did get my 5 fish limit. Let's put that leaderboard right here. So what a beautiful start to the August KBF Florida State Challenge, and this giant fish will go towards my catch 22 for the year. What a great addition. I'll gain 10 inches with this fish on upgrading one of my smallers. So all in all, slow day, but what an amazing catch at the beginning of the day, guys. Man alive. I have a doctor's appointment on Thursday, but I'm going to try to shoot for Friday in the forest. So Miss Jo, if you're watching this, let's do the forest on Friday. We're going to have some clouds. It might even rain on us. But as long as it's not like downpour thunderstorm type stuff, we might have a good day in the forest. In one of those back 40 type lakes that are way up in the woods. So we'll shoot for that. So with that being said, folks, let me roll you today's fantastic, amazing Florida trophy catch number 13 fishing footage. Good morning, folks. 6:26 on a Tuesday. Out here on the local just for a couple of hours at sunrise here. I don't think I'll be out for the major feed because it's going to be a little bit later. And I do not want to be out here that long. Unless, of course, the bite is on fire, and then you risk life and limb to keep fishing, right? So let's see if we can put 4 more fish on the KBF Florida State Challenge board. Stick around. 0 wind right now. I mean 0. It's so flat. Let's go over to the other side of the lake. Should hit my little brush pile out here before I go. There's some kind of fish that I'm spooking. Like right there, bunches of them. Maybe a tilapia or something. I don't know. Let's see, what should I throw? Fluke? No, let's throw the tiny trout. We're going in the brush. Going into the brush pile. .87-degree water. We got a ton of rain last night, guys. We may have gotten some during the day up here too. This is north of my house, but it rained pretty good. 7 feet here. I think we're near the brush piles. Might be a little too far over. Ooh, smoking hot day. There's some brush right under me. Right under me right now. It's a beautiful morning. Like I said, it's just a little bit cooler than what it has been. Just a few degrees cooler. Pretty sunrise. We've had some real good sunrises this week. Really good ones. All right, nothing's popping off the brush. Let's go right over to my area of concentration immediately. We want to start fishing in the good spot. Yeah, all kinds of fish just swirling. Must be my... A little bit of wind on this end. Actually feels good out of the north. Come on, fishies. The water levels, to me it looks like it's about 1.5 feet low, which means I may not be able to take access to the other chain. That's all right. We'll fish this main body. So far I've thrown the Savage Gear, a fluke, oh, something's after it, a Tiny Child, and a Hybrid Hunter. Something popped it right there. No takers. See if that thing will hit it again. It didn't feel like a bass. It might have been a crappie. They'll hit this lure. Come on back, fish. He knocked my hooks together. That doesn't work good. There we go. I would love to catch a giant on this bait. That would make my day. Water temps at 87. That's why you have a little bit of smoke on the water. It's a little bit cooler this morning. Just a little. Come on, fish. I know you're in these sticks. Better put something weedless through here, though. Let's throw the fluke a little bit in these stick-ups. Upside down fluke. Oh, there's one. Oh, maybe that was good. Maybe that was sticks. That could have been sticks. It sure felt like a fish, though. Let's throw it back through there and see if it gets hung up again. Felt like a fish. Yeah, I think there's brush under there. That spot right there looks like a good. Let's go over by my cypress trees, then we'll see if we can get through the shallows. Where you at, my fishes? Fishes, fishes. See if anybody will pop this frog in the grass. Come and eat it. Taker. This lake is usually tough, especially in hot conditions, but it's close and it's handy, and I don't intend to be out here long. Oh, look at that, would you? Look at that. Somebody just popped some bait right there. Come eat my lure. Wow. I could throw a Nico in there or a Wacky. My casting is on point today. I don't know why, man. It is like a sharpshooter. To this wood. I might get hung up here. Bam! Oh, I was so ready for a hit right there. Let's bring it right in this wood. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's good fish. Oh, that's a real good fish, guys. I gotta chase it. She's gonna get tangled up. Oh gosh, this is a, oh geez, Louise. Come here. Come here, you beautiful beast. Guys, this might be a trophy. Oh my gosh. What did I just catch? What just happened? I told you my casting was on point. Look, look, look. Oh gosh. Let go. Oh, it doesn't get any better than this. First fish of the day. Look at that. It's so dark out. I mean, the sun. Look at that beast. Look at. Oh my goodness. I'm shaking. I am shaking. Perch color. Let's keep her in the water. It's so hot. This fish is going to be so sensitive. Let's put it that way. Let's keep her deep. Come on, girl. Keep breathing. Oh, I'm shaking. I am shaking. I saw her hit that and I'm like, that's a big fish. No, that's a big fish. That's a giant fish. Keep breathing, sister. Stay down there. Yeah, she chances jumping out of that, but she's so big, guys. Oh my goodness, this is a giant. Yeah, there's a chance she's trying to jump out. But just like that, you never know when she's going to get a burst of energy. Oh. Guys. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh. She's too long for the board. All right, let's get her back in the water. That has to be a trophy. That has to keep breathing, fish. She's a giant. Oh my goodness. Let's check my photos real quick. Oh, heart's pounding. Oh my goodness. Pictures are good. Okay, I don't want to keep this fish too much longer, but I have to get a weight on her. We must get a weight. Oh my goodness. Hang tight, my beautiful beast. One look at her. All right, let's weigh this bad girl. She has to be a trophy, guaranteed. Oh yeah. $8.10. Oh man. Oh. All right, fish. Whew. That's my 13th trophy. Second trophy here this year. Keep breathing, fish. I gotta get her out of here. Let me make sure my video's good. Video's good. Let's let her go, folks. Come here, big girl. Let's do one more look at her. Savage gear. All right, big girl. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you so much, fish. I'm going to hold on to her for a minute. Let her get her bearings. There she goes. Oh, yes. I don't think you'll see much in the dark. What a fish. What a fish. What a fish. Trophy number 13. Guys, that trophy was caught on my lucky Savage gear. Look how beaten up it is. Some of it's hook marks, obviously, but other are teeth marks from bass, but nothing that big. I love it. Oh, shoot. Holy moly, that sun is murder, y'all. Murder. I gotta get back in the shade. It's dead over here. I usually can count on a few. This morning, let's throw this Nico. Throw up under these cypress trees. They should be hanging at the bases. Base of the cypress trees. Oh my goodness, the sun. Just blinding. There we go. That's a little better. It is 7:20. We're still 2 hours from the major. No minor going on, no nothing. Just that early morning bite. Some days it pays. Boy, I can't even see. Wow, that sun is horrible. No other hits. Well, no, one other hit on the other side over there. Gosh, that sun. Ugh. Let's see if anybody's up in this little cut. Oh, careful there, careful there. Wow, guys, it is just deader than a doornail. It really is. I probably won't have much luck if I go to the other side. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, don't get caught up. That big clump of grass right there looks like it should be holding a fish, but I'm not getting bit on it at all. All right, we'll go through the cut if I can get through. See how far in I can go with this slight drought. Geez, we're barely over a foot deep here. This is the minimum my drive can do. Oh yeah, no problem. It's not as shallow as I thought. I don't catch much in here ever. Let's mosey through here. I may have to get out. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe it actually has a little more than last time. Last time I had to walk right here for just a little bit. Oh, good morning, Sand Hills. All mama and babies. You guys are so pretty. So pretty. I'll try not to disturb you. We just continue this way. You guys are good. Mama and two babies. Oh, bird just flew out of the tree and into the water. Little grass patch right here. Let's throw right in it. Right in it. Let's see if it sinks. Let's bring it out a little bit. There we go. 6, 7 feet deep right here. On the bottom. 88-degree water temp. It's dead, folks. There's some pads. Let's see if anybody's on the pads. It is dead. One bite since I caught the first and only fish of the day. Oh, there's a fish on it. No. It might be grass. Yeah, just slower than molasses. Yeah, it's too grassy right there. Slower than molasses. My day's made though. No complaints. Going back to my swim bait over the top of this. There's some thick grass down there, but I think I can swim over the top of it and around these pads. It'd be so cool if something shot out of the pads. It's literally just dead. That's why when you see a place and it just looks so fishy, just throw at it. I did not expect to catch a trophy in that shallow 2.8 foot water, and ba-boom. She just pummeled it and then ran like crazy. I thought that fish was coming off. She could have wrapped on that timber so easily. Six and a half feet. It's a little bit deep here for this. Make casts in towards the shore though. It's much shallower. Tell you what, that little breeze makes all the difference. All the difference. Still pretty deep here. High fives. There's some sparse cover down there, here and there. That area right there looks like it could hold a fish. Right in between that. No, not that far over, but that's, yeah, that could too. Wind blew it. There we go, right there. Oh, there we go. What did I tell you guys? If it looks fishy, just throw at it. Just throw at it. Oh yeah. Hang on, fish. Oh yeah. I don't know if this one's gonna measure. Find out. I don't think so. But I do need 3 more fish. Yeah. I just got caught in my net. I don't think he's gonna measure. Let's see. Well, he might. He just might be 12. You okay, fish? Get some airs. Yeah, he'll measure. He perfectly put it on 12 1/4. He's half the size of my last fish. Oh, somebody just hit it. That's same thing, guys. Deep water, deep grass. We'll hit this grass patches out here and then head back. Not a lot of activity here. A couple of bumps. 1 fish. Let's see if we can get anything out here. Someone just popped it. Little dude. Probably the same size as the bait. Oh gosh, guys, did you see that pickerel smash? What a strike. That's who just hit it before. Wow. What a hit. All right, pickerel. Oh, sit still. What a hit. Gotta appreciate that. It's not a bass, but what a beast. Thanks, fish. Wowza. Picks love them too. Let me go throw my Nico out there. Got us a feeder. Something's pushing all the bait towards me. There they are. Come and get it. Maybe he'll grab it. Yep, someone's on it. Somebody's on it. Oh, he let it go. He let it go. All right, let's go back with the Nico at the base of these stick-ups. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, he's on the stick. Oh, that was a good fish. He's still on. He's still on. Come on. It's not a good fish, but he's still on. Oh, now he's off maybe. I think he just got off. Oh, he's still on. That might be measurable, folks. He is wrapped. I'm gonna see if I can just, might break my line, but let me just try to get him in the net. Come on. Come on, dude. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him out. Oh man, he is on that. He is on that. Oh, did he get off? No, he's still on. Shoot. Gonna cut the line if I get him in this net. Oh, come here, fish. There we go. Broke the line. I don't even know if he's measurable. He looks like he is. He's little, but broke it off. Geez. What a bit of work there for that little dude. For one little, hopefully he's 12 inches. We're coming up on the major. Maybe it'll turn on, I don't know. Yeah, he's measurable. He's a whopping 13. Thank you for hanging in there, fish. Thank you. All right, let me tie another hook on. Let's put another Nico on. That camera just shut down. It's too hot. There's no wind. All right. That's a fish. Little. Oh, not bad. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all, folks. I'll take that. That's number 5, if I'm not mistaken. I'll take you. All right, hold still. I will take that. He's a little bigger than the last one here, maybe 14. I went from 0 to hero today. Come here, fish. I'll take that all day long. 14 and a half, folks. Thank you, fish. Sure appreciate that. Yes, that was number 5. Goal met. Goal met with the bonus kicker. This is the perfect depth right in here for this little bait. Three and a half. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's a fish. I've never caught one in here before. That will be an upgrade, a cull. I've never caught one in here, especially on that swim bait. I'll take it. I will take it. That's a cull. You might get down the hole, but I don't care. Let's see what we got here. Funny how that works. I just said this is a great place for the swim bait. 13 1/4. It's a little bit of an upgrade. I think it'll cull a 12-inch. 13 1/4. Thank you, fish. Don't come back. Yeah, that's the first time I've caught one in here. I fish it all the time because it just looks like it would be a great place to ambush bait as it's moving from one body to the other. It's just a little thoroughfare. I really did not intend to be out here this long, but it's been kind of a fun morning despite the slow bite. I've enjoyed myself with this, mainly with the swim bait. I mean, what better bait is there to fish than a swim bait? Top water. Top water's up there too, but it's such fun. And this little stuff right here, this stick-ups in about 3.5 feet of water. Prime spot. There's one. Oh no, no, it was grass. Let's go over here. Lots of snaggies in here though. Snag shitty. And in a minute I have to pull my drive up. Might be one right up in here. Using all these pads to hide out. I've fished a frog quite a bit in this stuff here. I've never gotten one. Never, ever. Not on this little dollar-sized pads. Let's run one across there real quick. See, it's pretty thick stuff. But this frog does make an appearance on top of there. It's definitely going to be noticeable underneath. I would imagine there are some bigs under that stuff. We're in 3.5 feet of water. I gotta get into the wind or my cameras will shut off again. Oh, did you guys see that? Right at the boat. Right at the boat. I think we're going to have to stay out a while longer. Come here, fish. Come here, fish. We're going to have to stay out here a while longer. The major feed is on. Ooh, he came off. And the fish are eating. So let's just play it by ear. He's little. I don't think I'll do him. Actually, he'll measure. He will measure. I don't really catch fish in this area either. They're just hitting. They're being cooperative today. Being very cooperative. This will be a catch-22 fish. Just a little dude. Yeah. Oh, actually, he's an upgrade. 13.75. Thank you, fish. Love it. I think that's number 7. Lost count and I didn't do my clicker. That's a wrap, folks.